Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Praveen Tech Solutions. Today I am gonna to share about how will you install the Docker desktop in Ubuntu 22.04 version. So it's pretty much very easy and yeah, we have to go on Docker. Here we have to search it, install Docker desktop Linux on Ubuntu. Then here already written there, install Docker desktop on Ubuntu, and we have to click on this link, Debian package. After that it will download the package. Using this package we have to install the Docker desktop. So I am clicking on this link for download the package. So here if you will see, it's a downloading. It will take a couple of minutes. So I'm going to install the Docker engine first of all. Then here I have already opened. Here I have to go on Ubuntu. So I have to open here Docker desktop engine on Ubuntu. Here we have to follow all the steps one by one for install the Docker engine on Ubuntu machine. So first we are going to update our machine. It's updating, and after that we have to go for next step, and we are taking next command and we are putting in terminal, and then we have to put in enter, and then we have to go on next, then we have to enter on terminal, then next command we have to put it, then again we have to copy next command and we have to put in terminal and then enter. Sorry, I forgot complete command. I am clearing the terminal, then I am putting this command, then again we have to update our machine. It will update our machine, and then here we have to install one packages. Using this command we have to copy this and we have to paste there, and then it's installing. We have to wait couple of minutes. it's installing. Then we have to install the Docker desktop which we have downloaded. There we have to go new terminal and we have to go in the download folder. There we have already downloaded the Docker file. Downloads, sudo docker sudo apt get install docker. Then we have to enter and it will ask the password. We have to enter the password. Then it's installing. Now Docker desktop is installing. It will take couple of minutes for install the Docker desktop. So it's taking a little bit time to install the Docker desktop. It could not be accessed by this. Okay, I think it's already installed. If we will go in software, there if we will put Docker desktop, it's already installed. I'm initializing, accept. Continue without signing. Backend developer, local environment. Now if you will see, already Docker desktop installed, and after that we can do one thing. We will clear the terminal. Then we have to go in here. Then we will check Docker desktop. We have to put this command. Here it's pulling. Now it's already installed. If you will see here, engine is already running. On container we have to check here sudo docker ps-a. Okay, container is not running. Okay, then we can do one more thing here. Search images to Docker. Here, like if container is there, if I want to put like hello world, it will show here. Otherwise we can do one thing, Postgres. We can run here. It will take couple of minutes. Okay, already done. Then by default it will take Here I am running the container, then it will show. Here if you will see its images, here is container is already running. That's it from my end. If you have any query or suggestions, please add a comment in comment box, and please like and subscribe my channel to see more video. Thank you.